December 26, 2004. I don't know the time. And
6:58.
6:58. And today we're having Christmas dinner again, for the second time. And it's going to be approximately 15 people there. This ought to be interesting. I'm going to do a lot of filming on this, and this is very good. And welcome to Bonnie's room. Da 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 da. This is my elaborate Lord of the Rings room. It's really messed up though.
Really messed up, huh?
Yeah. Messed up in a good way. Look up! It's Jack Sparrow!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look, it's middle of. Go to the Shire for that one. Come here.
Hold on.
Go, you gotta go to the Shire, see? See, it's the Shire. Oh no. The thing on the top, yeah.
Where's the light? Ah. Turn this off.
The other one. Yeah. Go to the Shire, quick.
This is where we live.
This is where my room is. I live here. And then go down here quick for Charlie. Go look at Charlie. Just for a couple seconds. Whoa.
I just turn the light off.
You should probably like undo that part.
Ah, there we go.
Yeah.
That is Elijah Wood.
Yeah.
This is
Charlie Face. Ah!
This
Johnny Depp.
is Johnny Depp.
Go to Edward Scissorhands.
That is Edward Scissorhands.
He's cool.
Who's that?
Who? Him?
No.
Oh, some guy.
Some dude. This is Orlando Bloom, the Huntliner, Elijah Wood, blah 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 blah. That's me.
Yeah, that's definitely you.
Not really, but this one here.
Sam Wars. Look at these guys here. Hot.
Ew. That there is hot.
No. You lose.
That is not.
No, it's Ron Weasley. Oh,
Okay, that is hot.
hot, no.
That is not. That is no.
Ew.
That is so hot. That is not.
Oh, you're so silly. Okay, how about we go back to the
Okay, we're going into the living room, so don't be surprised if everybody's like cranky and if there's people behind me looking at the camera. That's Amy's little brother, we don't care.
No, he's cool.
That's Leo.
That's Chelsea. Wait, I'm on camera. I'm Chelsea.
Where? Meet everybody, okay?
Okay, meet everybody. Leo, Polly, Heidi, Chelsea. Haha. That's his eye. What are we looking at here now?
My pixel site.
Amy. Amy.
I'm not going to look at them.
But Orlando Bloom is looking right at you.
Yeah, right.
No, stop. I want.
Do you want to play? Dang it!
Hey, Amy, you're on camera. Amy, what? You're on camera. Did you know that?
Yeah. Why do you think I didn't turn around?
I know. Ah, you're on camera. Let's go to the adult downstairs.
Gary.
Okay, Gary, anyways.
Okay, he ready.
We're doing camera stuff, okay?
You're doing what?
Camera. This is Amy's dad.
Hello.
Hello.
This is my grandparents.
Hello.
Hello.
And then we go in the kitchen.
Hello.
I'm choking on a piece of meat, but I'm okay. Oh, I don't believe it.
This is Gary. He's not an adult, as you can tell.
Yes, he's...
There's only one big gift.
That's a horrible. Are you mine?
Are you okay?
One of me.
Want a cookie?
They're frozen.
Want a cookie?
They are frozen, honey.
I know, but cookies are good frozen.
What kind are they?
I don't know. It's still filming.
What kind are they?
I don't know.
What kind are they first?
I don't know. Chocolate raisins sometimes.
No, I don't like them. This is Crystal. She's Amy's little sister and she's not an adult. And there's Gary again. Gary! Who runs away.
I'm a turtle.
I'm not crying, I'm just choking.
Hi.
Oh my
Meow.
What are they just doing?
Whoa, they almost look alike. Oh my god.
Your brother and sister.
Okay, let's follow Bonnie back up to the room. Meow. We're gonna follow Bonnie back up to the bedroom.
G-R-E-R-D-A-N.
Don't you dare.
No, no, no.
It's just me and her. Oh, it's recording? Oh, cool.
Hello.
Hi.
How was your dinner?
Good.
Awesome.
Take me.
Amy.
What? Sally, look over my shoulder.
I swear that kid looks like Tyler.
Sorry,
My
guys.
shoulder.
Oh.
Sorry, videotaping.
Oh.
I hate that.
That
That's all I want because I ain't getting my
This is after dinner.
This is when we're all weird looking.
Now let's go.
Okay, so who's playing?
You didn't get me.
Get Garrett on camera.
Who's playing what?
Let's play.
Leo, hold on, Leo. Stop recording.
Hello there.
Who's Garrett?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Leave the camera out.
Yeah?
Where is it?
I just finished it.
Leo, look up. Hey, kid,
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Zoom in right on him.
I mean,
I'm seeing this.
This is the dinner table after the children have finished eating.
They're still eating. We're going today to the dinner table where the adults are eating, aka no hobbits.
I don't think he'll time. That's what Heidi said.
Hi, guys.
Everyone, smile and wave.
What's that?
Look at the frog spot, everybody.
You know what?
Can we what?
Come here for a second. Watch. Crystal. The bees
That is not an
I
adult.
can't do anything about it.
Crystal. The bees here is not hooked up, but Paula just went to ask her dad
We're over
to
there,
hook up to
sir.
the
Yes,
friend.
yes,
And
you.
so,
Yeah.
and I wrote her
Yes,
the
you,
baby
you
Heidi.
fix the bees here.
Oh, man.
Or that dog.
Heidi might
I don't know what they got here, or whether it runs,
How
or
does it
whether it
smell?
doesn't, or where it is even, little girl.
Okay.
I'm just a visitor like you.
But listen, Crystal, I think Heidi's going to hook it up for you. Just take it easy. She doesn't know. She doesn't think it's your house.
There is not much left.
Here, pass me.
You know. Well, we'll have to get them over there. Get them over there. You know. I'm not sure what it was.
Oh my goodness, it's a dog!
What are you doing?
I'm hiding in New York.
Do it again.
I don't know what.
Do it again.
What, New York?
She's advertising people's products. Free of charge, you don't pay you a penny for it.
For what?
You walk around advertising all that stuff for them. Oh, no, you're advertising.
We gotta stay down for 10 minutes.
Yeah, I'm in your shirt.
Is she going to stand up for you?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Really now. Oh, stay down. I wish I had 10 minutes. I would hate that.
Yeah, Pepsi is good too.
I'm gonna go.
That thing's so cool. But she wanted, so I just took it.
This meal was delicious.
That's
Very,
good.
very, very good. Looney Tunes. Super.
That's
Oh
good.
no, that was really creepy.
Another one.
Did you hear that?
Another one.
He's acting
He's
like,
here.
like,
He's here. That's her father. He's here He's here.
So how was your dinner, Wendy?
There's the Lundy Gary. We got
I
it.
didn't know anything
VCR.
about our stuff upstairs, but
Ask
Brady's
Wendy.
gonna set it up here right
There.
now.
Yeah.
My dad doesn't know anything about how
They're here visiting.
How was your dinner?
Yeah, the other fellow kids didn't hit you.
How's my what?
Dinner.
Wonderful.
That's good.
When you think from Newfoundland all the way across Canada to Vancouver Island, it's just about the same distance as from Point Pelee north to the tip of Canada.
Yeah.
You think of all the things there are between here and BC, you realize how much you're missing from all that stuff way up there.
It's true.
Is that on me or someone else?
Oh, the map, yeah.
You.
It's almost the same distance from Newfoundland to Vancouver to Victoria.
I'm gonna turn you upside
Hey,
down.
Sam, look, it's the blue boy!
As it is from Point Pelee. Never been north?
I had to do that.
No, I've never been to Newfoundland. That's the only province I've never been. I was in Toronto. Never been to BC.
Is that possible?
No, I'm not. No.
We've been in, my sister
Oh,
was
do we have
there.
any gravy left?
Yeah.
Hey, you want a gravy
We've
sandwich?
been in BC.
Gravy
The new one, I
sandwich.
can't think of the name, but what's the new one called?
It's funny.
Nunavut. You guys got the big North American eagle.
Is there any more chips left?
Eagle up in
I don't know.
Columbia.
Amy took them off.
The eagle hat.
The Falcons. The big eagle.
Never seen them.
Look,
There's lots
you
of
take-
areas.
Maybe it's from a certain area.
there's some gravy on it. It's actually not that bad.
Well, we used to live in Yellowknife, and that's
Hey, Mom, do you have any more chips left?
957 miles north of Edmonton.
Get some summer,
What'd you say?
good summer,
Chips.
you know, then get some cold ones.
Amy says you got
Some
another
cold
one.
Oh, I
winters.
have a couple.
Real cold winters.
Ah!
She wants
Real cold winters.
Manitoba with the cold.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
The winds.
Manitoba's not colder.
It's
Oh, it's different, that climate is different, you know, you need to
That's
get into
nonsense.
warmer climate, eh? Well, when you're living inside the buildings.
This is Bonnie's gravy sandwich.
Yeah, you go out, so long as it's appropriate clothing, it's safe anywhere else. Oh, yeah. You have a nice cut, paved streets,
I think somebody found
stoplights,
it.
and lawns,
Left.
and high-rise
They come on
buildings,
the bottom.
all the other things.
Was it recorded?
No, it wasn't.
Oh. This is crazy.
I'll be bad, that's all. I'll just be a bad buddy.
Oh, well.
I'm picking on you. I'm picking on you, buddy.
That picture's gonna look very funny, almost 45 degrees.
New tape. The one we just started in.
Well, still going strong.
Yeah, the horizon suddenly turns to thin.
Well, what you want to take some pictures.
Legless socks! Oh! Yeah. We gotta get that on tape.
I'm telling you, the people are together.
Hey, good new rules.
Going very good. It's going round and round.
Oh.
That one's going round and round, look at.
Charlie Mason. You can watch it on there, or you can plug it into the computer or the TV. There's a whole bunch of them there.
Yeah.
I prefer watching it on this.
You have
Yeah.
your stretches yet, fine.
No. Mom won't give them to me yet. She's weird.
She hasn't given them to you?
No. I figured it all by myself though.
Well, you really start to get confused when you read the instructions.
Does anybody know where Heidi or Chelsea are?
No?
I thought Heidi was sitting with the VCR. She's not even up
The
there.
blue boy ate them.
No, but, you get a movie, you just crank them on TV, you just crank them and
What?
plug it right in the television
Hold on.
set. That's what they do anyway.
My husband asked me what I wanted.
The
for
blue
Christmas.
boy
I
ate
told him I
them.
wanted The Santa Claus, 100 years of Santa Claus parade.
Oh,
And he draw a kid.
You're born
Stories,
actor, you
too,
know
and I
that.
put it on every
Me
year.
no.
And I used to go down with my
I was
hat
born a
and
creepy
say-
kid.
He used to go down with his
I didn't speak for like ever, and then it was
And,
messed up.
So I said,
What are
I
you
don't
doing,
have
chasing
what I
a cat?
wanted. It's only $9.95, I think.
That's crazy, that kid of mine.
$9.95.
That what you're doing,
for,
chasing a cat?
From the post office. And he was
You
able to
good,
get it.
Chrissy? Come on. I don't know. I didn't notice a cat.
No.
She's looking for a cat.
Cat's hiding. Yeah, she's looking for a cat. The poor-
Yum.
Poor servant that has his bite on the bait.
Cheese.
What is your reaction, Grandma?
Ha ha ha.
What is all your reactions?
Are you taking over
It
the
was good.
Oh no. No, hold on.
It was good.
Once, and then you'll have trouble
Boys,
trying to
you'll
find
run
it
through a lot of
under all
things,
the
huh?
clothes.
My money.
$100 put aside. If she wants to buy a bunch, let her run.
Let's find Chelsea.
Right?
Of course.
Did you find Chelsea?
Yeah, she's in the based on the cat.
Ew, seafood.
Seafood. Which one's that piece? You want to see it?
Hold on.
It's a joke, Dad.
Did you give those
Let's do that again, hold on.
Dad.
I zoomed in on it.
Chelsea out to the box.
Yeah.
When I get back, it's in the freezer. I have to empty the freezer, defrost the ice cream. I'll put it in
My mom's
I
upside
need to
down.
get it to the box, or not going to want to make it.
You go ahead. Yeah, you take it to the bus.
Yeah. But they're fine for
And
now.
I'll get the kids to go do the dishes.
I did them.
Oh, yes, they will. You go and do the dishes. Yes, just
I did them all day.
Well, you
I
can
did them all
wash
day.
the dishes.
Oh, no,
Well,
no.
you did them. They gotta wash,
Actually,
you eat
there's nothing wrong
from them.
with
Don't
you
you
guys
eat from
washing
them?
dishes.
Did you eat all day?
Get the
No, I didn't eat all day.
I'll get my daughter.
Hurt you personally.
It's not on. It's not even recording. I just want to see how you look on camera. It's not recording. Say hi.
No. I know you're recording because the red light's on.
That doesn't mean it's recording.
Oh, yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, it does. What do you mean?
This is Sam. We are walking to the store to buy candy.
And eating chocolate at the same time.
Chocolat!
Chocolate.
And I'm gonna slip, I think. If I slip, don't bother. It's so cold! It's winter! No duh. And I'm turning it off now. Johnny Depp rules! Haha. That's Jack Sparrow. Captain Jack Sparrow. Oh, I'm ever cold. Hit me, you fool! Hit me, you bloody fool! Hey, Amy.
You got the camera on. I'm not about to turn it.
I know. Look, it's a car coming.
can't make me.
Hit me, you fool! It's cold. That's my teeth chattering. I'm so cold. Look, it's on. Look. Big, bright red light. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose.
Like a light bulb.
And if you ever seen it, whatever, you would even say it close.
Like a light bulb. I'm gonna do
And
that.
all the other reindeers used to laugh and call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
They never laughed for Rudolph.
Rudolph.
Joining any reindeer games.
Like Monopoly.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
In his underwear.
No.
In his underwear.
Okay, fine. Then Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then all the reindeers loved him,
Loved him.
and they shouted out with glee,
Yippee.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
Reindeer.
you'll go down in history,
Like Columbus.
like me!
The light wasn't even on.
Oh, we missed it all. Oh, my leg.
So you turned into a nice.
Thank you very much.
Sam,
Did you do
What?
I'm going to personally hurt you if you don't turn that camera off.
Did you do any snow angels?
That's fine.
No, just
No.
Hi, Amy.
we went home.
I'm not sure. Amy? Amy's just going to walk this way?
Let's do our song.
Alright, okay. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
Hey,
you're
can you
going
carry
this
the hold the camera for us for a second?
Sure can.
No.
Do the song.
Oh, our song.
Yeah!
God.
I know one thing will be great. One problem.
What?
Just have to have my song playing in the background.
No.
No, just no. 2 seconds. Keep it off for a second.
Dad, do you even know how to use one of those?
So what are you going to do, dance?
No, they're gonna sing.
It's like,
Yeah.
alright.
Sing a song.
Ready? Oh, you can search far and wide, you can drink the whole town dry, but you'll never find a beer so brown, you'll never find a beer so brown as when we drink in our hometown, You drink your fancy ales, you drink them by the flagon, but the only drink is brave and true comes from that green dragon.
What the heck was that?
Now let's do a Rudolph song.
Oh, okay, again.
Echoes though.
Okay. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
Reindeer.
had a very shiny nose.
Like A light bulb.
And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
Like a light bulb. Come on.
What's the next word? They never. Poor Rudolph.
No, that's not it. Okay. Okay, go.
Rudolph and
Reindeer.
Had a big shining
Like a light bulb.
If you ever saw it,
Saw it.
didn't say it close.
Like a light bulb.
Let's see other reindeer.
Reindeers.
You just call him names.
Like Pinocchio.
And all that poor Rudolph.
Rudolph.
And then the reindeer came.
like Monopoly.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
In his underwear.
Rudolph is and I'm so right, won't you fly my sleigh tonight? And all the reindeer loved him, and I went with glee. Then
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer,
you'll go down in history.
Like Columbus. Like me.
It's actually it's like George Washington's name on
Very good.
I've
That's a
been
fun
there.
one, isn't it?
See it.
Brightly shone the moon at night, though the frost was cruel. Now this Mrs. Night, every winter fuel. Hither, pigeon, come with me. This telling
yonder
God did
fence
not
is
rest
he,
me.
wherein what
His
is dwelling.
dwelling.
There he lives a goodly yet, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by the desert
I saw two ships sailing on Christmas Day in the morning.
This is our Christmas caroling day.
On Christmas Day. I saw two ships sailing on Christmas Day in the morning.
Put the shady under my arm, and a twinkle in me eye, and I'm off to Tipperary in the morning. Here we go, all things are there to be seen. Love and joy come to you, and to you you're also blue. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. We are the daily beggars who beg from door to door. We are the Lord temporary who live
Dad, you don't even know what you're doing.
Come to you, and to you your walk so true, and God bless you and send you a happy new year.
You don't need any, you're busy. Biscuits. Passing the biscuits.
Actually, it's a cookie.
Oh, the cookie biscuits. Good though. The old fashioned, where in the name of God did you get that at? Get these at.
Cookie. Hey, hold on, get out of the way for a second. I got your sister on.
Tomorrow's morning is quiet.
I
And your bride is swaying. You don't even know me, I love you. Oh my darling, knock 3 times on the ceiling if you want me.
Twice on the side.
If the answer is no, oh my sweetest,
Would you
make it all right. Just press on the top.
Whoa.
If you ain't
Whoa.
gonna show. I can't sing. Running. See, I'm not feeling good, but I'm still having a good time. So I'm trying not to put myself down. Wait until I don't know why. At least you're not screaming your lungs out like you were at my birthday party.
Bonnie, why don't you show this girl your dollhouse?
I already did.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, you opened it up for us? Hey? Well, somebody's got to eat them.
Where did you get them at?
I won them.
Oh, you won them.
It's a stupid ball.
You remember she called me off Lord of the Rings?
You're
I remember.
I can't figure out why they didn't make it square.
Off the Lord of the Rings book?
I see a black box.
Are you going?
Gonna make a box. Why make it just a fraction of off being square? You won them in a store or? You're a lazy cat.
Work on the We joined what's called the superannuation.
We eat cats. Okay.
And we had Christmas luncheon the day before we flew down here. And this is the last prize. And there were 4 of us at the table. I won the first one. It was a poinsettia. And I thought, what the hell do we do with a poinsettia? So I gave it to a friend.
Slowly, slowly on the ground, Christmas time is coming slowly, slowly cast me outside. Yes, they are excited. Yes, they are excited. Yes, they are excited. Because the parents tell me so. Working hard without to fill all the shells. Yes, turning counts the outside. Yes, they are excited. Yes, they are excited. Because the parents tell me so. Rudolph has shining now. All the children know it. When he's up in the sky, because he really shows it.
$700.
I hate you. I'm going to.
Unless you get a uniform.
Don't even tempt it.
You just called her Amy.
You're old enough to enjoy your.
Everybody
This is me and Bonnie just coming back in from outside.
Very cold feet.
And my feet are like frozen to death. I'm gonna go look outside. So you understand why we're so cold. Just come out from that.
Excuse me.
Hello.
I got a faint.
Ah! I made my bed, and my dad's lying in it. Ah, that's crazy.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go film outside.
Well, I mean, it's just a suggestion. 5 different ways, including from maybe the attic, from that window in the attic. Maybe if you get a chair that's sturdy and and that way you can lift it quickly and look around to see from the top down, then always from the bottom, trying to look up at the snow like, that's nice, it's falling. But when you see from the top, then all you can see through it. But yeah, you know, that's nice.
No, it's
But
great.
you know what I mean?
It's awesome.
Think about that.
I'm filming it from up the top. We're going to the attic.
Try different places.
I'm cold.
I would imagine.
I have no socks on.
I do.
I don't.
Pack the camera now.
Do what?
Pack the camera now.
Whoa. Well, no.
Now, how cold were you when you were outside?
Very frozen, numb.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. After that, I stopped filming you
Why?
because too tired, too ugly looking.
You're not ugly.
What?
You're not ugly. You're far from it.
Yeah.
No, I don't want to record it now.
Yeah. I'd be freaky if Bonnie said yeah. No, yeah, my brother saw.
Heidi, did you know the subway is open?
Yeah, it's open.
Hopefully they meant for sure don't come in, not are you going to. Anyway,
Steph, I want to record it now.
This is the thing that I got. It didn't go off. No, it only comes off in the one ear. No, it doesn't hear me. Okay.
Tim.
Turning you upside down now.
Oh, fun. Fun stuff.
This is outside in the middle of a blizzard. Paula's yelling at me. It's so cold. It's wind in my face. Can you hear it? It's so cold. Welcome to die. Welcome to die. Red alert. Red alert.
I want to know if you want some peach snaps. Okay.
in a blizzard, and it's very, very cold out, and there's 100% chance that it's already snowing. As you can see, there's like
thousands of drifts.
See, look, the snow. Snow, snow, snow. It's funny. Cole, stop recording now.
brought a bottle once to a party that I was at, and it was an overproof.
No, I
you
didn't.
did.
Did I?
Oh,
You
I
bought
did.
it, eh? Oh.
Yeah, I bottled a bottle for her. There was a bottle of drink in that. It was unbelievable. Like, it was just, oh, someone just hit the window. It was so strong that it was like
Is that
you couldn't
thunder or
drown it. No, it was just snow hitting the window. It snowed.
I thought it was electrical.
No, it fell off the thing there and it
Oh,
went
yeah.
whack.
But if we do lose power,
Anyway, it was very
panels
strong.
and
I can't
yellow
remember what it was. But another person brought Newfoundland Screech that
You better
to
hide it.
as well. And it
Yeah,
was
those
like,
French Canadians used to make a weighted one.
what's that?
Applejack.
Mm.
There was
I've
another
heard
one
of that
you used
too.
to make.
You know how it's
I've
made?
never had it, but I've heard of it.
What's the other one where you have to
Cider.
Yeah.
You sit it outside in the cold weather and it freezes.
I mean, you
Except
chew it off.
for the alcohol.
Yeah.
Then you pour the alcohol off the top of it.
And it tastes
My
like
dad
cider, but
went
it's the
on
alcohol.
That's a
Right.
wicked drink. I
Right.
don't think they make it
And
commercially.
they were invited into this guy's home, and
There's different. Well, no.
And soft cider.
Some people make cider,
There's
and it's
hard
just
cider.
apple juice cider stuff.
No, but
Then
this
people
is-
make cider, and it's incredibly
but it was
strong
frozen,
alcoholic
and it was the
cider.
alcohol.
That's hard cider. And then there's very hard
He
cider.
said, "I've never been drunk in my
But
life."
And
there's
I
soft
was
cider.
that day.
You talk to people, and it's kind of a weird little, it's kind of like talking to people about what is the right recipe for tortilla.
Oh.
You talk to somebody, and they say, oh, cider has alcohol. And
Like
then you
the
talk to
tortilla,
people,
you
and they
never
say,
have to
real
put
cider
it.
doesn't have alcohol.
Yeah,
It's like,
soft cider doesn't have alcohol, it's just a,
I know that.
it's just almost apple juice.
I know, it's spicy.
You buy it by the gallon down there.
Yeah, but it has some spices in it.
Yeah, it's not quite apple juice, but
I
it's not
know.
far off.
But some people will fight about it, and they'll say it's not real cider without alcohol. Other people will say real cider doesn't have alcohol, and it's like, get a life.
Come on.
It's just like saying tortilla needs potatoes on top. No, tortilla needs potatoes inside. Tortilla needs...
Come from, where they have the most.
I know.
If you come from like St. John and they have more potatoes, you do use potatoes
Well, obviously
more.
it wouldn't be alcohol.
Well, I remember getting
In Devon,
rather eye-eyed as a very young person because I was helping my father siphon off so fly-eyed, it was really funny.
When my dad and mom used to party, candy, a bottle of something else, of booze, and then a bottle of ginger ale. And then they'd soak the cherries in it in the ice cubes, and in the morning we'd come out and eat all the cherries left in the bowl, pop them in our mouth, choke the cherries, and it's like, yee-haw! All these cherries soaked in booze.
Called Henderson
It is
Spikes.
food,
I got it written
3/4
down
alcohol.
somewhere.
very similar to artillery punch. In artillery punch, you can get the recipe from almost anywhere.
By the time it hits you, it's
What was it? Apricot brandy, gin. Yeah.
It's 50%, only 50%.
No!
alcohol.
It has 3 things of
There's
booze
3 things in
and
it, but we
ginger.
doubled up on the ginger ale.
Yeah,
because
we
it's
put in
so full.
50% alcohol,
It was
50%
so full.
ginger ale.
Okay, you
And
put an
it tasted
apricot
so
brandy,
nice.
gin, and there was one more
Oh, I
kind
thought
of...
it was just, oh, I can't remember. No, I thought there's the 2 of them, isn't it? Apricot, brandy, and gin.
I thought it was
Three
3.
things.
things.
3 things.
I mean, I gotta watch Star Trek. Are you gonna watch it?
We are going to watch, we're going to on TV, none of that crap. We've been watching all your Christmas stuff since Christmas. So after supper, I get to pick the one that I bought for the family, and that's what we're going to do.
What about my,
So do whatever you want, but just remember that they're going to come in
Don't
jackets.
kill it.
can
That's
I
lovely.
watch my, Flash Gordon?
You go right ahead.
Anyway, you've got time to watch something. Go. We'll call you when supper's ready.
It would probably be a better thing that way they can't see you're watching Christmas stuff.
No.
You guys want to watch something really ridiculous?
Excuse
like,
me?
like Star Trek 50 years before?
No, it's called
God,
Classic.
Like, you know, you get a bunch of teenagers
Capital.
together and they do really dumb skits.
The original
and
Star
they
Trek,
pretend
is it?
They pretend it's science fiction, but it's really stupid and
It's
fake.
called Classic with a capital C.
You should see the costumes.
Is that
What
what
do you
that
mean?
means?
Oh, you mean
You
the,
don't know what
Flash
classic is
Gordon.
until you see Flash
in the
Gordon.
undershirts with the crest
That's
on?
classic.
No,
You remember
before.
That was Star
It,
Trek.
no, but it wasn't
Classic
Star
movie?
Trek. It was
The
before
2001
that.
version.
Oh,
No.
it was in the 40s.
The old one.
I didn't
Star
know it
Trek.
Okay.
I mean,
I didn't know there was
If
a
you
Star
have seen that,
Flash.
then you will know what
Was it on TV?
classic is all
It says it
about.
was 40s, 52.
It's
then
package,
52.
it's a cheap version
Okay,
of movies.
52. Yeah,
Did you ever hear of Flash
That
Gordon,
is
Dan?
cool.
Yeah,
Did you ever hear
we
the
read
TV
Flash
series
Gordon
Flash Gordon?
We read Flash Gordon comics
wasn't
all the time.
I knew
I
Flash
thought it
Gordon
was.
from
Really?
comics, but I
I-
never.
What's that,
saw the movie.
1954?
52, I think.
52?
I read Flash Gordon comics, so when I bought this for him, I thought it was a Flash Gordon comic. Maybe it was based on it, but maybe I'm forgetting what Flash Gordon was. Leo, can you cut that out? It's just driving me nuts. It was, it's a guy who's on a space station thing, and he's doing all this work in space. And this guy went to a planet. This guy went to this planet, and then on this planet, these guys were like taking over the whole planet. They were treating people bad, and he went there as an expedition. And I'm thinking, this isn't Flash Gordon, but that's what it's called.
Oh, with Flash Gordon, there were dragons and all kinds of weird things in the comics.
Yeah.
I think they
What
made
was
it.
the name of the one that was so popular?
Buck Rogers.
Buck Rogers.
Was
we
it
watched.
Buck Rogers? Yeah, I guess it was Buck
Buck
Rogers.
Rogers and Flash Gordon.
Okay, Buck Rogers.
Yay.
They made a series in the 70s for Buck Rogers, but they must have had it before, like in.
Let's see, Buck Rogers was in the 2000 and... What is it, or something?
Or something.
Anyway, it was the most corny, stupidest thing you've ever seen. I killed myself laughing. Looking at the costumes, it looked ridiculous. You should go up and peek at it. It's the funniest thing you've ever seen on TV. Like Star Trek was silly enough, but this was like 10 years before. It was just.
Oh,
Star Trek's not
No,
bad.
you made it too small.
Not bad, but it's silly.
Oh, you measured it to the end and then you cut it.
the whole thing's useless now.
No, just add to
Just
it.
add to it, that's all. Add a piece on the end.
Add a piece in the end.
He spent so much time on that too.
Yeah, he's an engineer, he does the thing, does the thing. Come on.
Just add to the end of it.
Guess I'll have to try.
Yeah, why just make another flap on the end and then you tape it on.
Tape it off.
You know there was no video there. You know she's filming you when you're talking.
For like last 20
You're
minutes.
telling me.
7 minutes.
We can't hear whispers, sorry.
You're right, that's the point.
But I can.
No, I can't.
Oh, okay, I should go make this spaghetti sauce.
Penis sauce.
Lemon spaghetti?
Yeah.
Cool.
But you know what?
If you want to do something useful, take this away before I bump it off onto the floor. Thank you.
You're whispering again.
We also don't have measuring
I had to
equipment.
change it.
Weird, yeah.
Yeah.
I can never, never mind.
I think everybody has something wrong with them.
I just think,
Oh, it almost fits.
So we gotta invent measuring equipment.
Yeah. Got you.
I'm hungry. I ate too much.
or too much crap.
Oh, I know, what I mean.
Mm.
Was she sleeping on that heater?
No.
Was she on that heater?
Here's you.
That was me.
Hi.
Good. Rum and ginger ale.
Yeah.
Rum and ginger ale. You know one of them.
It's not sound appealing to me.
He ran out of
That
cola or whatever it is.
If we ran out
In
of
the
all.
drawer of the refrigerator.
was actually highly bone personal bone, Mom. I didn't know that.
I think the camera likes
No, I put it in there. I didn't know. I just said, oh, pop out of the fridge. Pop, well, let's put it in the fridge. And she said, where's the cat? Whatever. But there's, there's a funny thing about that. She went out and bought a whole bunch of pop, and she was supposed to be paying me back for something or something like that. She bought all this pop, and then she said she's donating it to the Christmas thing, and then she went down there every once in a while and drank all this pop because she paid for it. So there really wasn't much of a donation to Christmas because, she kept saying, it's my pop.
I don't think we ever had much pop at Christmas. We used to make higher group.
Are you talking about in our family growing up?
No.
So, the one time a year you bought a ton of pop, and
Oh,
you're
that's
talking
Christmas
mountains
time.
of it was at Christmas time.
Yeah. But I
Having fun filming the cat.
Way too much
I was not allowed to
You know you're
take
not
any
filming
of the
pop.
cat because
Yes, I am.
that's my teeth.
It's very bad for a lot of different things,
And,
but it's so cheap. It's
sugary.
cheaper than bottled
Well, it
water, it's
wasn't.
cheaper than juice.
From now on, not a filming your hands.
It's not cheap either, but it
No,
sure is
it wasn't.
now.
Yeah. Well, I think it's because there's so many unknown brands. Like we can get a case of Coke or a case of ginger ale for $3.99.
I think that
That's
the
cheap.
government needs to get down on that because
Yeah.
people are drinking that like crazy, and it's so bad for them.
It's sugar, and that's bad for weight.
The deer here are very different than the deer in BC.
Yeah. We have, I think the most common one is what they call a mule deer here.
Out
That's
there
a
was
deer
a
with big
whitetail
ears
deer.
on it.
I don't think it is a mule deer. It's to me.
Oh, I mean, speaking of Canada, I don't know what they've got right
Oh. See, when I see the deer here, it has a little tail that goes like that.
here.
But it's a short. They're short deer, but they're not big ears.
Well, they're deer,
I don't know
whatever
what
they
you call
are.
them.
They're-
Mule
But it's not the
deer.
same.
White
But it's
tailed
not mule
deer or
deer. They don't have the big
Yeah,
ears.
out in BC
But
they go.
But the deer in BC are bigger, taller, but they don't have that little funny little tail.
They have whitetails.
Well, I thought they were white-tailed, but now I'm not sure because I'm wondering what the tails are on the ones here. maybe they weren't, maybe these ones are. Because I know that that's what you aim at, is the tail on a white-tailed deer. I always thought the deer would be zero white.
Yeah, the red light's on, isn't
When
it?
I see these little funny little tails, I'm thinking maybe that's what they mean. No, I'm not sure.
What's a male and female antelope called?
I don't know.
Antelope male and antelope
No
female.
That's like that cat story. Did these girls hear that one?
I'm not sure.
That guy says, what's the name of the cat? The guy says, Ben-Hur. Oh, he says, that's an odd name for a cat. How'd you bring that? Well, it was Ben until it had kittens.
I like it.
Yep.
Oh, Janet.
0.2. 10% of 2 is 0.2. And then 5% of 2 is 0.1.
What?
0.1. 10% of 2.
That's right.
Yeah.
No.
10% of 2 is 0.2.
So it's 0.1, not 0. Oh, well, I thought you said 0.01.
No,
What did you say?
Yeah.
The 0.1.
Okay, decimal 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't need to put the 0 in now.
Okay. Decimal 1, so I
So
was right.
5% is
Decimal 1 is
decimal
right.
2.
Yeah.
That's a more.
So if you something's 2 cents and you want 10% on that, you gotta pay another 0.2 cents.
There's no way you can put 0.2 cents.
It's important, though.
Like if you know those penny candies, get 2 of those, you gotta put a tax on there. So yep, that'd be 2.2 cents, please.
Leo,
Yeah,
how much does the group home give you to buy Christmas cards?
40.
For all the whole family.
Yeah.
You know what?
What?
Not listening. Oh, yeah.
It's trying to be